Copycat Popeye's Cajun rice. So let's make some Copycat Popeye's Cajun rice. We'll need 1 pound lean ground beef, 1/2 cup chicken gizzards, and this is optional if you don't like chicken gizzards, 1/2 cup finely diced green pepper, 1/3 cup sliced green onions, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon celery flakes, 1 teaspoon creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and 4 cups long grain rice cooked and drained. You can have regular rice or you can use boil and bag, which I'm going to use. They suggest you do not use minute rice though. 1/4 to 1/3 cup water, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. So let's begin. I have my rice, and once it starts boiling, it'll boil for about 10 minutes. If you are using gizzards, and as you know, gizzards are always really hard and chewy, and they have this gristly type thing on it. We're gonna cut these in half and then take and slice that off. I'll finish that until I get 1/2 cup of gizzards. So you want to take 1/2 cup of the gizzards and dump it in your blender. And this is my new bowl. Put the lid on, turn the power on, and pulse it. You want to get a skillet, put in your 1 pound of hamburger, your 1/2 cup of chopped up gizzards, and your 1/2 cup of green pepper. Turn it on medium heat and cook it until the hamburger is no longer pink and the green peppers are soft. So the meat, all the pink is out of there. So we'll turn the heat down to medium or medium low and add the rest of the ingredients. 1/3 cup green onions, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon celery flakes, 1 teaspoon creole seasoning, and you can add more to taste, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and you can add more to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 4 cups of already cooked long grain white rice, and 1/4 to 1/3 cup water, and stir that till everything is heated through and that the liquid is all absorbed. About 25 to 30 minutes. So the Copycat Popeye's Cajun rice is done. We'll go ahead and dish it up, and I'll get my husband to do a taste test. So here's the final product, Copycat Popeye's Cajun rice. And because it has meat, it is also known as dirty rice. And rounding up the meal is Parmesan crusted pork chop. So we'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
What is this?
Copycat Popeye's Cajun rice.
Oh, really? I don't know if I've ever had Cajun rice from Popeye's, but I did live in Southeast Texas, so I had Cajun food. And this is pretty darn good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.